Hello everyone, I am Parampreet Singh, web admin of Pichavaram house, and I have made this Discord verification bot for my house, which is one of the 12 official houses of IIT Madras BS degree program. So, as the name suggests, what this bot does is it takes the student mail ID and sends them a verification code which user has to enter so that they can verify themselves and proceed further in the server. So let me show you how it works with a demo. So I am following these two steps mentioned. So first step is to enter my student mail ID using the verify command. So I am entering my student mail ID here and hit enter. It is validating my mail ID, and now it says we have sent the verification code in your mail. Use slash code command to enter the latest code. So let me check my mail. Yes, I received it. Show the verification code is 187251. So let me copy it. Now I'm following second step, which is to enter the code, and I have pasted. Hit enter. It verifying the code, and it is valid, and it assigns me several roles based on my student mail ID. So this is the main work of this bot, and what it also logs the uh, users who are being verified, as well as like when they are verifying their mail ID, as well as when they are verified. And this is the whole code of my Discord bot. You can check this complete code in my GitHub repo, Discord verification bot. I hope you liked it. Thank you.